Alright, you guys, today we are going to be learning about Reconstruction. We are going to be doing our first set of Cornell notes, and so our topic for today, like I just said, is going to be Reconstruction. This is supposed to be an R, I apologize. And if you want to do, this is part 1. Again, yours is going to look a little bit nicer than mine since I'm writing with a tablet. And you guys can do this either in Cami here, or you can also do it on paper and then you can upload a picture. It's your choice. Today's date, depending on what day you have class, is either 1/14 or 1/15. Our essential question for today is going to be, what happened during Reconstruction? And we know that this is after the Civil War. Again, as you need to, pause it, otherwise you are typing this in as we go. Pause any time that you need to fill in the information if I'm going too fast. Our first topic is going to be who the leader was. As we talked about in the previous class, we know that Lincoln was assassinated. It was then up to President Johnson to take over, and he had to come up with a plan. In this plan, he had to figure out how to get the country back together. We talked about that after war, not everyone's happy, especially the side that loses, right? So it was the South that was kind of struggling and not wanting to follow what the North was doing. Do you want to underline President Johnson? Because he was the leader. Our next topic, so you can skip a space, is going to be the 14th. Ooh, what is going on here? It's going to be the 14th Amendment. This amendment was written by Congress and passed by Congress. And it gave citizenship to all people born in the U.S. It also declared and gave equal protection of the laws to all citizens. Again, pause as you need to get that written into your notes. Our next topic is the 15th Amendment. Remember, amendment means change. The 15th Amendment has to do with voting. This gave and guaranteed that the right to vote could not be denied based on, are you ready? These three things: your race, your color, or your previous, whoa, I just spelled that wrong. Hopefully your guys' typing is a little bit easier. Previous condition of servitude. Meaning that if you were a former enslaved person, you now had the right to vote, and that could not be denied. One side note is that military had to be brought in to help make sure this happened and to protect the people that were newly registering to vote. Instead of doing a summary for part 1, we are going to keep our notes going. We have one final topic, and that is going to be just talking about the South. In the South, remember, they lost the war. Southerners were putting into place and using legal measures and violence to keep blacks from voting and holding office. That is going to conclude our part 1. Please pause as needed to go back and know that you have finished part 1 of your notes. We will continue talking about the South and the issues that were being faced and had on part 2.